Particles, question 1. Part A. State the quark composition of a proton and a neutron. Well, you should just try to remember these, but the charges of the individual quarks are given on the datasheet, so knowing that the proton has a charge of +1, you could probably work out that it consists of 2 ups and 1 down quark, whereas the neutron with 0 charge consists of 2 down and 1 up quark. Part B. Complete the following equation for beta plus decay. We're given that a proton turns into a beta plus or positron plus. Well, it becomes a neutron and an electron neutrino, and I've given the symbol there for electron neutrino. B part 2. State and explain what happens in terms of quark changes in this decay. Well, basically we're taking a proton of up, up, down, and it becomes a neutron down, down, up, which can be achieved by turning one of the ups into a down. This is what happens, so an up with charge plus 2/3 the charge of the electron becomes a down with a charge minus 1/3 of the charge on the electron. The excess charge of the charge on the electron is conserved in the positron, which is ejected. Part C. Show by considering conservation of charge, lepton number and baryon number that beta plus decay is possible. Well, first if you write down the full equation, proton becomes neutron plus positron plus electron neutrino, we can then consider the 3 conservation laws in turn. Firstly, charge. Proton has a charge of +1, neutron is neutral, positron charge of +1, electron neutrino is neutral, and 1 does equal 0 plus 1 plus 0, so the conservation of charge law is obeyed. Now, lepton number. Well, a proton is a baryon, not a lepton, so it has a lepton number of 0, as does a neutron. The positron, being an anti-lepton, has a lepton number of -1, and the electron neutrino has a lepton number of +1, and 0 does equal 0 minus 1 plus 1, so conservation of lepton number is obeyed. Finally, baryon number. A proton is a baryon, so has a baryon number of +1, as does a neutron. The positron is not a baryon and has a baryon number of 0, as does the electron neutrino. Therefore 1 equals 1 plus 0 plus 0, and baryon number is conserved, showing that this decay is indeed possible.